Hey there, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. Two remarkable quarters that have captivated the hearts of collectors and history buffs alike. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of numismatics by exploring the value and history behind the 1965 Washington quarter and the 1959 Hawaii quarter dollar. So, grab your magnifying glasses and join us on this coin hunting adventure. Before we talk about the value of the Hawaii 1959 quarter dollar coin, let's delve into its intriguing history. This coin was minted to commemorate Hawaii's statehood, which was officially achieved on August 21, 1959. The design features King Kamehameha, a revered figure in Hawaiian history, on the reverse side. The coin also showcases the state motto, Ua mo ke e o ke ena I ke pono, which translates to the life of the land is perpetuated in righteousness. The Hawaii 1959 quarter dollar coin has a unique design, making it a favorite among collectors. It's composed of 90 silver and 10 copper with a diameter of 24.3 millimeters. Now, let's talk about its rarity. While millions of these coins were minted, finding one in excellent condition with minimal wear and tear can be quite challenging, thus increasing its value among collectors. So, how much is the Hawaii 1959 quarter dollar coin worth today? Well, the value of this coin can vary based on its condition, rarity, and the current market demand. As of our research, a circulated Hawaii 1959 quarter dollar can be valued between $5 to $15, depending on its condition. However, if you're lucky enough to find one in mint state or uncirculated condition, its value can soar much higher, potentially reaching hundreds of dollars. If you're interested in adding the Hawaii 1959 quarter dollar coin to your collection, there are several places where you can find it. Online coin marketplaces, coin shows, and local coin shops are excellent options. When purchasing, always look for reputable sellers and pay attention to the coin's condition and authenticity. For collectors, here's a pro tip. Consider investing in coin holders or capsules to protect your coins from damage, preserving their value over time. 1965 quarter dollar. Talk about to start by delving into the history of the 1965 Washington quarter. This coin holds a unique place in numismatic history because it marks a significant change in composition. Before 1965, quarters were made of 90 silver, but due to the rising silver prices, the United States Mint decided to switch to a composition of 75 copper and 25 nickel for quarters minted from 1965 onwards. This change had a profound impact on the coin collecting world and set the stage for the modern clad coinage we use today. Now, let's talk about the design and features of the 1965 Washington quarter. The obverse of the coin features the iconic bust of George Washington, the first President of the United States. On the reverse side, you'll find a majestic bald eagle depicted alongside an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing peace and strength, elements that have been a part of the quarter's design since its inception in 1932. Moving on to the exciting part, the value of the 1965 Washington quarter. While these coins do not contain silver, their value can vary based on their condition and mint mark. Generally, circulated coins in average condition can be found for face value or a slightly higher price, especially if you find them in rolls or coin jars. However, if you have a 1965 Washington quarter in uncirculated condition or a high grade, it could be worth more to collectors. Be sure to check for any mint marks, such as the D for Denver or S for San Francisco, as these can also impact the coin's value significantly. For collectors out there, here are a few tips when it comes to the 1965 Washington quarter. Always handle your coins with care to preserve their condition. Investing in coin holders or capsules can protect them from wear and tear. Additionally, educating yourself about grading standards can help you accurately assess the value of your coins. And of course, consider joining local coin clubs or online communities where you can connect with fellow enthusiasts and experts, sharing your knowledge and learning from others. And there you have it, folks. The story behind the 1965 Washington quarter, its design, and its current market value. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow collectors, and subscribe for more coin-related content. If you have any specific coins or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting!